images. It is still loading. It takes some minutes. Don't be tensed because it is normal. In the first time, it takes some time. Look here, it has been connected. One user. Okay. Hi, this is Kaiser from Active SEO Feed. In this video, I am going to show you how you can connect your e-commerce website with Google Analytics 4. This video will be going to be a long video, so I have cut it into several pieces and create a playlist. So please watch the full videos. This video will be very helpful for those who want to connect their e-commerce website with Google Analytics 4 and make advertising by retargeting their existing visitor. Before starting, we have to know about what is Google Analytics 4. Google Analytics is a web analytics and it is the most popular and free web analytics provided by Google. So it is called Google Analytics. And the current version is version 4. So it is called Google Analytics 4. In short, it is GA4. In your website, the visitor may comes from different channel like Google Ads or Facebook or other social media ads. Directly typing your website URL, organic traffic searching from search engine like Google or Bing or any other search engine, and referral is the channel. That means if you shared your website link in any YouTube video or through email to others and they clicked your website URL. So through these channels, visitor may come to your website, and then if your website is connected with GA4 or Google Analytics 4, then you will be able to track the visitor data. That is, from where the visitor is coming from, how long they are staying in your website, which page they are visiting, what is the age of your most visitors, from which location they are visiting your website, from which device they are using for visiting your website, and many more information. By analyzing this information or data, you will be able to select the correct audience for your social media advertising. So let's get started. Before starting, I want to tell you that if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel, which will inspire me to create more videos. Okay, I have created a demo website for showing you the tricks, and here's the demo website. Anyway, if you want a e-commerce website like this, then you may contact with me. You will find my contact details in the description of this video. So first, you have to create a Google Analytics account. So this is the URL for creating Google Analytics account. Please follow the step carefully. Now click Start Measuring. Here you have to write account name. I am putting it Active SEO Feed. You can write anything here matching with your brand name or agency name. I am keeping this as it is. Now clicking next, and property name. It is telling me to create a property. So the property should be active SEO feed XYZ website. So for identifying this, I have named like this. This is not the URL, this is just a property name, and this can be edited later. Here is some advanced information and I am not touching it. You also should not touch it. Just click next. Now business details, industry, what is your industry? Here I think shopping would be best, and business size, you have to put your business size. I'm giving it medium. Okay, you may put tick mark on sorry, generate leads, drive online sales, raise brand awareness, examine user behavior. Okay, now create. I accept. Now you have to create your first property, and you may skip it now, and later you may also create it from the admin section, but I am creating from here, or just clicking website, as I will track the user visitor behavior of this website. So the platform should be web. I am skipping now. Now continue to home. I am just showing you how you may um, create from the other place if you miss the first startup skin. So I am clicking it here. Okay, here you may also create web, and you have to put the URL, that is active SEO feed. You have to put it without HTTPS, as it is already here, and you have to put a stream name. Okay, and keep everything as it is. Now create stream. Okay, now the stream has been created and we have to connect it with our website. So here it will show some instruction in which way you can connect Google Analytics with your e-commerce website. So before doing this in a easiest way and systematic way, I will use Google Tag. Google Tag is actually another tools provided by Google, which is totally free and which help us to format visitor data and send it to Google Analytics as it is recommended by Google Analytics. If you didn't understand my words, you will be understood within next couple of minutes. Okay, for creating Google Tag account, we have to type tagmanager.google.com. Here you have to create container. Already there are two container I have previously created. I will create another one from here. Create container. Okay. Here there will be the container name. I'm putting it active SEO feed XYZ web container. Again, this is not the domain name, this is just an identical name and you can put anything here. And obviously the target platform is website. Now create container and it will be created. Okay, after creating, it will also show a instruction to connect with our website. Okay, basically we will connect Tag Manager with our website and then we will connect Google Analytics with Tag Manager so that our website can communicate with Analytics or Analytics will communicate with our website through Tag Manager. So Tag Manager will be the middle party for establishing the communication between our website and Google Analytics. By the way, if you need any help for implementing Google Analytics in your website or any other helps related to digital marketing, then you may hire me. You will find my contact details in the description of this video. Okay, now I will show you how to connect Google Tag Manager with the website. Let's start it. For doing this, we have to go to the admin section of this website. As this website is built with WordPress, I'm going to the admin panel of this website and I'm putting the user ID and password of admin. Sorry. Okay, now let's go to the plugins and click add new plugin. And in the search box, click GTM, that is Google Tag Manager. And I need this GTM for WP. Okay, this one GTM for WP. Now click activate. Now we have to make some settings. So go to settings. Here it is asking for Google Tag Manager ID. You have to put a Tag Manager ID. Where you will find the ID? The ID is showing here. It is this one. It will be started with GTM. Okay. Also, it will show here. Just put it here and click Save Changes. And then click here container code 1 and click Save Changes. Now we have to test if the tag manager is connected with our website or not. So for testing that, we have to go to the we have to browse the website and there is a extension that is Google Tag Assistant, Google Tag Assistant Legacy, and you will find this in Chrome store, web store. So I'm enabling it and just refreshing the website. Look, it is showing green. That means it has been connected with Google Tag Manager, and clicking it, it is showing the tag ID with which the which tag manager it is connected with. It is ended with LPG. Our tag manager ID is also LPG. Okay, so it is connected with the tag manager. Now we have to connect Google Analytics with Google Tag Manager so that we can be able to connect with our website with Google Analytics. So how to do that? Okay, for doing this, we have to create a new tag, and we need to put a tag name that should be GA4. You can write anything, uh, but it should be identical so that you will be able to recognize it later. So I am naming it as GA4 base tag. It is the base tag. And in tag configuration, you will find a bunch of name, but from here you have to click Google Analytics and Google Tag. Here it is asking for tag ID. Actually, this tag ID is the measurement ID. So just copying it and putting it here. But we will not put it here. Uh, will not put it here because we will be needed this code later. So we will create a variable. I think you already know about variable. Variable is a container that contains value for reusing. So instead of putting this as it will be needed frequently, I will create a variable, and this will be constant variable. Sorry, before that we have to enable the variable type constant, that is variables, configure. Here you have to turn on every variable type first time, as this is a fresh container, so I am doing this, and you should also do this after creating a container. Okay, it is taking some times for turning on all the variable type. These all are built-in variable provided by Google Tag Manager, and you can also create your own variable from user-defined variables. It is still working. Alright, it has been finished. You can also create variable from here. I am clicking new, and the variable type should be constant, and the value should be the measurement ID, that is here, and give it a name GF4 measurement ID. Okay, now click save. Now go to tags and create a new tag and name it GF4 base tag. Your tag configuration should be Google Analytics, Google Tag, and Tag ID. For using the variable here, you have to click curly braces for 2 times, and then you will find this. GA for measurement ID. Okay. Now you have to add a trigger. Trigger means when this tag will be fired. Tag is what are you doing and trigger is when are you doing. So we are connecting Google Analytics and it will be fired on every pages when a visitor visit our website. So the trigger will be for all pages, page view event, and click save. After making any change in Tag Manager, you have to click the submit the updated and give it a version name. I am giving it initial create and a description that maybe added GA4 base code. Okay, it should be fine. Now click publish. It may take a few times. Okay, done. Now you have to test it. You can test it from the workspace and clicking preview button. Now you have to put the URL of the website, that is activeseofeed.xyz in my case. Now connect. Okay. Now look, tags fired. I mean the GA4 base tag has been fired. So this signal should be sent to Google Analytics. Let's check it. So we are going to home from Analytics and user. It is showing nothing because sometimes it takes time to update here. Let's we visit some pages. This is still loading. It takes some minutes. Don't be tensed because it is normal. In the first time, it takes some time. Look here, it has been connected. One user. Okay, so we have successfully connected our website with Google Analytics 4. Later, we will show you the recommended event by Google, that is, you will find it here. For an e-commerce website, Google recommends this event for measuring your visitor behavior, and all these events are not mandatory. There are few events that is mandatory, that is view item, view cart, uh, begin checkout, add payment info, maybe add shipping info, add to cart, add to wish list. These all are mandatory events to track the user behavior. I mean, you have to identify which user is ordering from your website, what is their order value, which user is not making purchase, which product is viewing most, and everything else. In this way, you will be able to track your visitor data. So, enough for today. And sorry, the video has been long, but later it will be short video. My advice is to follow the playlist so you will be able to connect your website with Google Analytics 4 and measure all the events recommended by Google, which will be helpful for you for targeting your audience. Thank you.